As the summer heat settles in the Peach State, financial relief is coming to thousands of households. State officials confirmed this week that approximately 40% of Georgia's special excess tax refund checks have already been delivered to eligible taxpayers. This massive disbursement, part of a $1.2 billion fund authorized by the HB 112 bill, is moving forward daily, albeit with clear caveats. Outstanding debts to the state could reduce or eliminate the amount received. This is a program open to individuals who reside permanently in Georgia. $488 million in tax refunds already delivered in Georgia, but more is set to come last week. Governor Brian Kemp proudly announced that more than $488 million has been returned to Georgians' pockets. Taxpayer money ultimately belongs to hardworking Georgians, not the government. That's why we are working hard to get this year's special tax refund into your pockets, Kemp wrote on X, reflecting his commitment to returning the surplus. According to his office, the pace of distribution is consistent with the 2022 and 2023 cycles. So taxpayers can expect their refunds kind of by the same dates as previous years. The amounts, which are not subject to state taxes, vary depending on the tax status of the individual requesting the payment. They range from $250 for single or married individuals filing separately. A couple who both file taxes can each claim a payment. $375 for single taxpayers with dependents, and $500 for couples who file the tax return. The delivery follows the method used for annual filing, direct deposit for those who opted for it, or physical check for others. However, the Department of Revenue warns that these funds are subject to tax offset if there are unpaid obligations to state agencies. To qualify, taxpayers must have Georgia tax returns filed for 2023 and 2024, been full-time residents of the state. Not listed as dependents on another declaration. Surplus Tax Refunds Program updates are reported that the process began deliberately to monitor for potential issues. Although some Georgians are expressing impatience on social media, officials assure that the vast majority of refunds will arrive by mid-August. Those who filed taxes before May 1, 2025 and do not owe taxes can expect their money in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Now, if you're anxious to know where your money is, the state of Georgia offers an online tracker updated daily. All you need is your SSN or ITIN and your federal adjusted gross income. We're on the same pace as previous years, the DOR emphasizes, noting that the $621 million distributed as of Tuesday already exceeds Kemp's initial announcement. For residents of states other than Georgia, Internal Revenue Service IRS tax refund payments are no longer available.